That's our hotel room.
Yeah. No running, sweetheart.
Okay, don't go too far.
You wait for mommy and daddy, though.
Just wait for daddy. Wait for me. Wait for me. That's what she does in this. Wait for me. No, that's on somebody else. That's not how she went in the bathroom.
There you are. Tingnan nyo to. Dito kami matutulog ngayong gabi. Ano siya? Parang yung design ng hotel. Train. You're making music. Yan yung shower niya. Tsaka, ito yung maingay na bata. Hi! Say hi, everybody!
Hi, everybody!
Ayan yung ano, yung bathroom. Ang ganda ng hotel na to. Para siyang train talaga. Hindi siya parang train. Train talaga siya. Tapos, ayan na. May TV dito. Andito yung fridge. Tsaka, mga coffee. Yan yung bed. King size bed. So, kasya kaming tatlo dyan. And, yan yung, kabilang hotel. Ganyan siya. Hotel talaga siya, pero hindi siya umaandar ba?
It does.
Ang ganda ng room na to. Yan yung batang. So, she took a nap. We drove her from home. It's about 2 hours drive, right? Did you had a good nap?
Yeah.
You did. Wow.
You're so pretty.
You are so pretty. Look at that. Yay!
Well, blink your eyes.
Got beautiful eyes.
Ready?
You like your bag?
I bring it up. I gotta go potty. I heard something.
That's AC.
Well, also outside the drilling or something.
Oh, someone.
If you want to.
That's mommy's purse. Might be too long for you, see? It's very long for you. Come here, let me fix it. Ooh, what do you think?
I need to take a picture.
Take a picture. Cheese!
Take it.
Cheese!
Cheers. Do it again. Oh, you gotta go back over there one more time.
Nandito kami sa labas. Ito yung room namin. And maglalakad-lakad lang kami dito kung ano yung pwedeng bilhing snack ng aming Junakish. Ayan siya. So, ang ganda ng lugar na to. And the weather is nice din. Hindi masyadong malamig ngayon. I like that meron silang bonfire dito. Maglakad-lakad lang kami dito. Meron dyan kasada.
So beautiful.
We're gonna go this way first. We're gonna go this way and check it out.
Ganyan yan siya. What you doing, Julia Rose?
too young to be where he's been.
You want to get that?
Too old to go.
Get that and throw it?
He's been searching.
Nag-snack kami dito sa ano. Lakad-lakad kami tapos nag-snack. Hot cocoa. Tapos, what is that?
That's a salted caramel chocolate chip.
Brownie? Cookie bar? Oh, that looks good. Tapos kami ni Julia, nag-share kami ditong banana pudding. Yummy! Oh, yeah. Ganyan siya pag gusto niya yung pagkain. Sumasayaw-sayaw. You ready?
You want to take a picture?
Wow.
Good job.
Hi! Naglakad-lakad kami dito sa ano. Malapit lang sa hotel na inistihan namin. She eat a lot of sugar chocolates. There's a purple one. Ayan, nakita namin yung fire station dito sa Chattanooga. At mahilig ito sa ano, mga emergency vehicle. Yan lang yung nakita namin. Tapos ito yung ano, malapit sa hotel. Yan na silang dalawa. Cheese! What do you think of that?
Oh, man.
Julia Rose.
So many motorcycles. Wait for her motorcycle. Wait
What?
She said, wait.
You're
for me,
coming?
motorcycle. I'm coming.
You're coming? Smile! Hi! Nakita niya yan sa ano, doon sa nadaanan namin kanina. Gusto niyang magpa-picture daw. So, ayan, dinala ng daddy niya para magpa-picture. Ewan ko na lang sa dalawang to.
2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, set,
Go!
whoop! Okay. No, don't be that long. Careful. Are you okay?
Just leave it, don't touch it.
can take a picture.
Not yet.
Taking a picture?
Kids better finish up your snacks quick. No food out on the ride.
Ayan, tulog pa silang dalawa. Kanina pa ako gising. Mag-alas 9 na. Media malapit. Umaga na. Itong dalawa. Tulog na tulog pa. Tapos meron dito Diyan yung banyo. Tingnan niyo. Ito yung maliit na closet. Tapos merong, ayan, anong banyo. Gusto ko yung shower nila. Super malakas yung yung shower head. Tapos toilet. Ito yung gamit namin. Ito naman yung entrance. Pajama ko. I love this pajama. From Timo. Meron silang building na pwede ka magstay sa room. Pero yung binook ng asawa ko for the experience ng isang gabi lang, ito yung ganyan. So, dalawang rooms, isang straight na train na ganyan, dalawang room, back to back siya. Yung ito, parang nasa likod kami. Tapos may isang room sa harap. I love this style of hotel. It's really aesthetic. Ang ganda. King size bed. Natulog kaming tatlo. Nasa gitna si Julia Rose. Ayan, tulog pa silang dalawa. Ayan, pass out. Okay.
Ready? Oh yeah. Ready.
Okay, are you ready?
Take a picture.
Good.
Take a picture.
Go. Pose. Go like this. Go. Perfect.
Right here.
Oh, can you flip him upside down? There, he's upside down.
Other way. There you go.
Yeah, like that.
See, bye-bye train.
Bye, Train. Bye. I see you later soon.
You think you're coming back? Okay, keep going. We go walk that way. Go walk with Daddy. We're gonna go check out and grab brunch. She's cleaning the room.
Up there.
Yes, she went in there to clean. Say thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Check out na siya. Ito yung lobby nila. Diba ang ganda? May coffee shop. Tapos dito yung counter. Meron pa din yung Christmas tree. Ang ganda yung lobby. You have to hold mommy's hand, huh? You go. Go. Oh, it's super cold.
One eternity later.
Peekaboo. You're so beautiful. You give Daddy a kiss.
Can I hold a picture?
Yes?
Mommy?
Yeah. Is that yummy? No. Look at yourself. You see yourself?
Need to hold it.
Yeah. You see yourself? Yun ang brunch namin. Sobrang busy nila. Puno yung restaurant. Tsaka yung sa likod.